Okay, my algebra students, freeze the video, do these 3 problems, and then turn me back on. Okay, so whenever you have a product raised to a power, you raise all 3 to that power. So x to the 6 to the 4th would be x to the 24th. Y to the 8 to the 4th would be y to the 32nd. And z to the 40th. So x to the 6th squared would be x to the 12th plus x to the 6th times x to the 6th is x to the 12th. Whenever you have the same variable and it's to the same power, you add the numbers up front. 1 and 1 is 2. Notice the power does not change. Here, whenever you have coefficients, you reduce it. 5 goes into both, so it'd be 4/3. 20x is on the bottom, 6 on top, so these 6 cancel with 6 of these. Y to the 8th goes into y to the 10th, so you have 8 of them cancel with 8 of these, so you have y squared left over, and anything divided by itself is 1. Oh, look! Another round. Freeze the video. Do these 4 problems and then turn it back on. Okay, so a negative power means move it. So we're going to move this down, move this up. So we'd have x cubed, x to the 8th. On the top we have y squared, y to the 6th. Now we multiply two things, same base, you add, so it's y to the 8th over x to the 11th. Here, there's different ways to do this problem. One way is to just say, hey, negatives, move it. So it'd be x to the 4th over x cubed times x to the 7th. When you multiply two things, same base, you add, so it's x to the 4th over x to the 10th. It'd be 1 over x to the 6th. So, product to a power, you got x to the 8th, y to the 12th, x to the 10th, y to the 11th. So it'd be 8 of these cancel with 8 of these, so you'd have x squared in the bottom. 12 cancels 11 of them, so you just have 1y on the top. Negative means flip it. A square means square it, so it's 1/9. Okay, do this round. This is a quick round, I do believe. Okay, so x to the 6th, raise it all to the 4th, it'd be x to the 24th. A negative to an odd power is negative. Negative to an odd power is negative. A 1 to any power is 1. So different ways to do this problem. You could move the negative, so it's x to the 6th over x to the 10th, which is 1 over x to the 4th. Here, you square it, and you got to flip it. So I'm to square it, that'd be 9/16. And then they got to flip it, the negative power, so it'd be 16 over 9. Okay, last set of problems are 2 people find difficult, so go ahead and do them. Okay, 0 power means 1, so this drops out. 7 of these cancel with 7 of these. You have 1 left over. So you'd have x to the 6, y, and the z's cancel out. Here you have a product to a power, so you raise both to that power. Oops, sorry. And then when you multiply two things same base, you add. So it's x to the 66, y to the 81. Good deal. Have a great day.